Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into episode 2 of our flower hair clip series. And this time, we're making the cutest flower hair claw, and that's absolutely perfect for beginners. Now let's talk about the materials. You'll need a hair claw, some 5-ply milk cotton yarn, a 3.5mm crochet hook, and a threading needle. Let's start by making a magic ring. So wrap your yarn around your finger. Insert your hook under the first loop, yarn over, and pull through. So make sure that your circle is nice and wide. Now chain 3. Then we're going to make a puff stitch next. So here's how. Yarn over, insert your hook into the ring. Now you have 3 loops. Pull through just 2 loops. Repeat that until you have 6 loops on your hook. Now that you have 6 loops, you're going to pull through all at once. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the ring. Now you have your first petal. You're going to repeat the whole process until you have 5 petals in total. So once you're done, chain 1, pull the starting yarn tail to tighten the center, then cut and fasten off.
We came here to blow off steam, but we're not gonna give up yet, because we're the 9-9. We're gonna take matters into our own hands. 9-9 style. That's right, my prince. The 9-9 is through. It's not our $200 per call.
So you guys are gonna stay here with me?
It's not
And now for the cute details. Grab your second yarn color. I'm using a darker pink. Thread it through your needle or use your hook if you prefer, and make 5 small stitches into the center of the flower, mimicking the shape of the petals. Feel free to get creative. You can add more stitches, use beads, or even flowers.
It's my threat. That's why.
No, he offered me $1 million. I had no choice. My dad is really sick and he needed this expensive experimental surgery. What about you guys? How did he turn you?
Well, I've been dirty long before Nucci came onto the scene. Doing ton of coke. They call it Mr. Springtime because of how fast I make the snow disappear. Wow. Okay, so remember, this is Deputy Commissioner Grayson. This is Smoking Hot.
So once you're happy with the design, tie off and cut the excess yarn. So now we're done making the flower. Now you'll want to make about 6 flowers or just enough to completely cover your hair claw. So for the next one, we're going to attach it now. So I'm using a glue stick and a glue gun for this. So first, before that, you're going to align the flowers into your hair claw so that you will see the center of that. Don't forget to cut off the excess glue. And just like that, you've got the most adorable handmade flower hair claw. If you had fun with this project, give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode in our flower clip series. Would you wear this flower claw or would you give it to a friend? And what color combo should we try next? I love hearing your ideas and seeing your creations, so don't be shy and drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and happy crocheting. See you in the next one.